We all want to live long and we all want to live healthy. Indian yogic science has demonstrated how one can live long by taking less breath. Now the question is how to breathe less. In this video, I will show you 2 breathing exercises by practicing which you can breathe less. On an average, we human beings breathe 20 times approximately in a minute, and our lifespan is around 60 to 80 years. Monkey breathes approximately 30 and the lifespan is around 20 to 25 years. Dog breathes approximately 50 and the lifespan is approximately 15 years. Whale breathes approximately 5 to 6 times in a minute and the lifespan is 100. And a tortoise breathes approximately 4 times in a minute and the lifespan is approximately 150 years. So let's see how to make the breathing slow and how to make the breathing longer and deeper and breathe less so that we can live long and live healthy. Let's start with the first breathing exercise. So I'll keep the palm right in front of me and I'll release all the fingers and I'll start from the little finger, will inhale, and once I reach the tip, I'll exhale down. When I exhale, I'll exhale through mouth. Okay, so let's start. This is a very good practice if you have any anxiety or if you have any stress or if you have any other negative emotion also. It will help you to relax your mind and body. Now, usually we breathe less and exhale more. So I'm going a little fast when I'm inhaling and when I exhale, I'm going a little slow. So let's do it one more time. Inhale. Okay, you can do this practice at least 10 to 15 times, and the next practice we will do almost similar, but we will hold the breath, and once we reach the tip of the finger, we'll hold for 3 counts and then exhale same way we were exhaling earlier. So let's start. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, holding your breath. Exhale, blow. Inhale through nose. Hold 1, 2, 3, exhale, blow. Inhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, exhale, blow. Inhale, hold 1, 2, 3, exhale. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, inhale, hold, and exhale. Hope you liked the breathing exercises and keep doing all these breathing exercises and try to see after a month how many times you're breathing in 1 minute and update it in the comment box. and take very good care of yourself. Keep watching my videos, and if you like my video, then please subscribe, like, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for future videos. Take very good care. Stay blessed. Bye bye.